BabyTV.
Bim and Bam!
Bim, yesterday I was walking through the woods and I saw a lot of animals.
Yes, Bam, there are a lot of animals in the woods.
And each animal is special in its own way.
There are animals that fly like birds.
And there are animals that live in the water, the fish.
And there are those who climb up trees.
And there are animals that come in different colors.
Yes, there are many different colored animals.
But Bim, I haven't found a single animal in my color.
I know an animal in your color, pink.
Really, Bim? Which animal is that?
This animal is a bird.
A bird? A bird?
It has long, skinny legs.
It has long, skinny legs.
Well, Bam, have you guessed?
Hold it, I know, the flamingo.
That's right, Bam. The flamingo is pink.
A flamingo.
A flamingo.
Wow, the lake is filled with flamingos.
The flamingos are very friendly. They live in massive flocks. Wow, look how many!
Lots of flamingos flying together. How beautiful.
Look, they're dipping their whole head in the water.
Yes, that's how they catch fish and crabs. The flamingos have long legs and long necks.
That's right, Bam. Look, they fly so beautifully. When the winter comes, they fly to warmer countries.
So that their feathers won't catch a cold.
Bam, I think pink is a beautiful color.
And I think that your color purple is beautiful.
Do you know what, Bam? I can't think of another purple animal like me.
Another purple animal?
Yes, Bam.
Oh, I know of a purple-colored animal.
Really? Which one is it?
It's a friend of mine who I like a lot.
Do you really? Who is it?
He's called Bim.
I knew it was me. It's so much fun. I love learning about animals.
Animals are what we love. They are what we love. Animals are what we love. It's so much fun learning about animals, isn't it?
Bye-bye.
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 BabyTV.